If you have ginger sitting in your kitchen, don't let it go to waste. Because when you steam it the right way, you can say goodbye to so many of those little daily health issues that slow you down. From fatigue and poor digestion to seasonal sniffles, this ancient method helps your body heal naturally. This incredible remedy comes straight from a 97-year-old mentor's treasure of health secrets. And believe me, even if you've never cooked before, you can become a home health expert in just a few minutes. Ginger isn't just a spice that adds a kick to your food. It's one of nature's most powerful natural medicines, packed with compounds that support almost every part of your body. For centuries, traditional healers across Asia have used ginger as a universal remedy. In fact, there's an old saying, "Eat radish in winter, ginger in summer, and you won't need a doctor." Another one says, "If there's ginger at home, you don't need to fear small illnesses." And my experience says, 3 slices of ginger in the morning are better than a bowl of ginseng soup. These aren't just folk sayings, they're wisdom backed by science today. Modern research shows that ginger contains more than 400 natural compounds, including gingerol, shogaol, gingerol, and essential oils. These are the very components that give ginger its strong aroma and medicinal effects. Gingerol, the main active compound, it's anti-inflammatory, helps fight infections and boosts blood flow. Shogaol, formed when ginger is heated, it supports digestion, relieves nausea, and helps detoxify the liver. Gingerol, a powerful antioxidant that fights fatigue and helps balance metabolism. And those volatile oils, they warm the body, stimulate circulation, and naturally strengthen the immune system. So yes, ginger isn't just something to flavor your tea or food. It's like a tiny pharmacy in your kitchen. Step 1. Cleaning the ginger thoroughly. First, separate the ginger knobs to make cleaning easier. Place them in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda, then fill it with water until the ginger is fully covered. Stir until the salt and soda dissolve completely. Why this step matters? Because ginger grows underground, and it's often coated in soil and bacteria. Salt acts as a natural disinfectant, while baking soda loosens dirt and pesticide residue. Together they give you clean, pure ginger, ready for steaming. After soaking for about 10 minutes, use a brush to scrub every piece. Don't peel the skin. That's where a lot of the nutrients are hiding. The skin of ginger helps cool internal heat and balances the warm nature of the flesh. There's even an old proverb, leave the skin on for cooling, peel for heating. Both parts work together like yin and yang, balancing your body's temperature and energy. Trim off any soft or damaged areas and rinse everything thoroughly. Then spread the ginger on a plate to let it dry before steaming. This prevents extra moisture and stops bacteria from forming. Step 2. Steaming the ginger. Fill your steamer with water and bring it to a boil. Once it's hot, lower the heat to medium and steam the ginger for about 10-15 minutes. Depending on how thick the pieces are, arrange the ginger evenly, don't stack them too high. Now here's where the real magic happens. When ginger is steamed, its sharp, spicy taste softens, making it pleasant even for people who usually don't like its strong flavor. At the same time, high-temperature steaming activates and releases its beneficial compounds. Steaming doesn't destroy nutrients, it enhances them. When heated gently, gingerol turns into shogaol, a compound known to be even more potent for health. It supports the digestive system, helping your body produce more digestive enzymes and bile, which means your food breaks down better, nutrients are absorbed more efficiently, and bloating or acidity reduce naturally. For those with weak immunity, steaming ginger also improves circulation, warms the body, and stimulates white blood cell activity, which is your first line of defense against infections. In other words, a little steamed ginger every day can help you fight off colds, improve metabolism, and keep your gut healthy, which directly boosts your immune power. As the ginger steams, the aroma will fill your kitchen, calming and refreshing at the same time. When done, open the lid and breathe in that gentle, spicy warmth. The ginger will look slightly glossy and soft. That's exactly what you want. Let it cool for a few minutes, then slice it thinly. Step 3. Sun-drying the ginger slices. Now, place those slices on a tray in a single layer. No overlapping. Choose a sunny, airy spot and let them dry naturally. As the sun warms them, moisture evaporates, and the flavor becomes richer while the nutrients become more concentrated. This natural drying also stops bacteria and mold from forming, allowing the ginger to last for months. If there's no sunlight, a food dehydrator works perfectly too. Keep an eye on the slices. Once they're dry but still flexible and not brittle, they're ready to store. Step 4. Preserving the ginger. Take a clean, dry glass jar. Sterilize it with hot water, then let it air dry completely. Add the dried ginger slices, pressing them gently to remove air gaps. Now add rock sugar. This balances the acidity and brings a pleasant sweetness. Then pour in your choice of vinegar. Balsamic vinegar gives a deep, rich, aged flavor. Rice vinegar is lighter and more refreshing, with a gentle tang. Both are great, just pick according to your taste. The rock sugar will gradually melt into the vinegar, creating a delicious, sweet-sour infusion that enhances the ginger's flavor and adds even more natural antioxidants. Seal the jar tightly and keep it at room temperature for about 10 days. During that time, the vinegar and sugar will draw out ginger's active compounds, turning them into a healing tonic. How to use it? After 10 days, your ginger is ready. Eat 2 slices every morning on an empty stomach or with your breakfast. The result? You'll feel lighter, more energetic, and your stomach will thank you. The enzymes and oils in ginger help calm your digestive system, relieve gas and bloating, and prevent indigestion. It's excellent for people who often feel nauseous or experience sluggish digestion. At the same time, those powerful antioxidants like gingerol and shogaol help remove toxins from your liver and blood, supporting detox and keeping your body's natural defense system strong. If you often feel tired, cold, or catch colds easily, eating a few slices of this pickled ginger can make a noticeable difference in just days. It boosts your immune system, helps maintain healthy circulation, and keeps your body's natural balance in check. Warm yet calm, active yet stable. And don't throw away the pickling liquid. It tastes a bit like a natural herbal cola. Mix a spoonful with warm water and drink it as a refreshing, immune-supporting tonic. So if you've got ginger at home, try this simple, time-tested remedy today. It's easy, natural, and unbelievably good for your body. Let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. Did you feel more energetic? Did your digestion improve? I'd love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health recipes and home remedies that really work.